Okay, I'd like to show you how we found common denominators for fractions that didn't have the same number in the denominator. So we have 3/4 and 1/6. The denominators of these fractions are 4 and 6. Those are not common, they're not the same. So we need to find a number that 4 and 6 both have in common. So in class today, we listed multiples of 4. We skip counted by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. I'll stop there. We also listed then multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'll stop there. Now we're going to look for multiples that both 4 and 6 have. They both don't have 6. They both have 12. That is going to be our common denominator. You can see that both 4 and 6 also have a common multiple of 24. You can find you can use the denominator of 24, but we're going to stick with the denominator of 12 since that one appears first. So we have 3/4 and we need to make an equivalent fraction of 12ths. So 3/4 is equal to something 12ths. 4 times what gives me 12? 4 times 4 times 3 gives me 12. I'll multiply my numerator by the same number. You have to do that to get equivalent fractions. 3 times 3 is 9, so our new numerator is 9. So 3/4 is equal to 9/12. Now let's go ahead and take the 1/6 and make it equal to something 12ths. Again, 6 times what is 12? You can go back up to your skip counting and see that one group of 6 is 6, two groups of 6 is 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. Multiply the numerator also by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So the equivalent fraction of 1/6 is 2/12. So now we have 9/12 and we have 2/12. 9/12 is equal to 3/4. 2/12 is equal to 1/6. If we were asked to add these fractions, we can at this point because, whoop, didn't realize you couldn't see my fractions that I wrote. If we were asked to add these fractions, we would be able to do that at this point because both denominators are the same. So we're talking about equally sized pieces. Okay, and other videos will show you how to add fractions that the students will be working on in later lessons. Okay, I hope that was helpful.